Hey guys, you're back with Jackie. Remember, this is Credit Connector, and I also have my Spanish channel, which is called Conecto de Crédito. So if you guys have any friends or know of anybody that doesn't speak English and wants to learn about credit, guys, send them over, okay? I'm willing to help them, give them all the tools they need to build the credit that they deserve. Also, right now, I'm still going to be dropping my VIP school link, which you guys can register for free. That is a platform that we're going to build together. That is a safe space. You guys can ask any questions. There's going to be data points there that I'm not going to give on YouTube. Also, if you need to repair your credit or if you need to dispute something, you can find the template in that classroom, okay? Which is called School, SKOOL. Remember, this channel is just for entertainment reasons only. I don't give legal advice. And anything we talk about here, I always tell you guys to do your own homework, do your due diligence, and follow up and check because data points always change. And I am in Florida. You guys might be all across the United States. Okay. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is the Navy Federal Car Hack. And I'm going to give you a couple of tricks and advice of how to get the best loan and what you can do with it. Okay, so let me put myself here to the corner, minimize myself. So also let me tell you, with the car hack, when you go into Navy Federal, you have a lot of benefits. Remember, you have to be a member of Navy Federal. Okay, do it the right way, guys, because I've seen a lot of accounts close. So imagine if you invest all this time putting money in and you're working this bank to get a higher credit limits, and all of a sudden you get an email that your credit has been closed, your account has been closed. So they do investigate because there's been a lot of fraud with Navy Federal, and of course, they don't want to lose money either. Remember, Navy Federal is the #1 credit union in the nation, based. So if you have a great relationship with them, if you put already auto pay from your paycheck or money coming in all the time, and your credit score is not that strong, they're more inclined to help you and give you a loan. Remember, credit unions are for the people. Okay. Also, I've seen people get car loans with basically with a 680, and they've gotten a higher amount than if they went to the dealer. Also, a benefit of already going to the dealer with the approval is that you have more negotiating power on your side. You're also not going to have your credit run 2,000 times. And with them, you can check the pre-approval and you can kind of see where you're at. You can see the calculation. And if they give you a higher amount, once you finish, paying off the car, the amount, you just have to return the rest to Navy Federal. Also, they do give you 90 days where you have to give them the title. Okay, so don't think that you guys are going to get the car and you're going to get the title and you're not coming back to give the title. That's not how it works. They do request that you give them the title. So they're going to give you time for you to receive that title at home. Okay, they are going to, pull from TransUnion credit. Navy Federal is very credit based when it comes to they also have an internal credit base, their points. Okay, so make sure that you do the pre-qualification first. You want to see where you're at, and you can also call them and see, talk to a relationships manager if you do it on the phone, or you go in person and tell her your situation and what do they think. Okay, so let me show you what to do. So you're going to come here to their website, obviously, and you're going to go to loans and credit cards. You're going to come here to auto loans. Plus, if you look down, they also finance motorcycle, boats, and leisure vehicles. So what this means is the same strategy that you use for the car loan, you can also use it for motorcycle, boat, or leisure vehicles. Okay, which leisure vehicles means anything for entertainment. Okay, so let's go here to the auto loans. And basically, you're going to come here. And it says finance your next car. So you can kind of see apply. You can view your rates. If you view your rates, look what it tells you. New vehicle and used vehicle. Okay, and it tells you the months. Look at all the months it gives you. Most dealers, well, it used to be 5 years. Now a lot of dealers are giving 7 years, but this one gives you 85 to 96 months. I personally don't recommend for you to buy a car and finance it for that long, because nowadays cars after 5 years they start giving you problems. But if it's a good car, and you think it's going to last that long and that's really what you can afford, go for it. Okay. Also, used vehicles, they don't give you that long. The most they're going to give you is 6 years. So you can see here before you apply. Okay, let's go back. Let's see what else they offer you. Let's see where we can find and here you can put the price, the zip code. So, here as well, if you want to shop for a car in their website, it gives you the opportunity to do it as well. So that's pretty good. And let me go back here. So we're going to go back, and then we're going to see for the, whoops, just took me completely out. So let me go.
I don't mean it.
Go. So yes, you're going to come here to auto loans. Again, I'm sorry. And let me see down here. You're going to see here car buying center. So experience our car buying center, our fully loaded car buying center. Let me see, shop online. I wanted to show you where, let's go to apply. So of course you have to be a member. So you have to make sure to have your user's name, password, and all that. But if you come down here, gosh, where is the pre-approval is one I wanted to show you guys. I saw it today before I was doing the video. Anyway, so how do I apply for an auto loan? And it tells you here different informations. What type of information do I need to collect before I apply? And it tells you all the things you need to do. They want to see the VIN number, the registration of the vehicle, the miles, the dealer, the name, and they're going to cut you the check to the dealer's name. Okay, so make sure you go to the dealer first. And also, when the dealership knows that you've already been approved, guys, you have leverage over the salesperson. So that's a smart way to do it. Okay. If there's going to be any co-signers, your employment, if you're going to trade in anything, let me see, amount you expect to finance, the length you want. Let me see this one. How soon will I receive a decision after submitting my loan, my application? We will work hard to provide you with a decision within minutes. Okay. If not, it's usually within 3 days. And you can also call them. What is the current rate? So Navy Federal offers competitive rates and flexible terms. Yes. Right now, I would tell you the Navy Federal to buy a car is going to give you, the best APR. Because remember, they are people. They want to help people. Okay. Once I get my loan approved, how would I receive my check? They're going to cut you a check, send to the address you provided for pickup, or you can pick it up at the branch. Okay, so it's very important. So guys, if you follow these, little tricks, trust me, you're going to get approved. Also, if your credit is not that strong, I would tell you first, build the relationship, get the secure card, build the relationship with, Navy Federal, go in for a pledge loan. Okay, and that means if you have some extra money, put it into a pledge loan. If you get, let's say, 5 years, you can also pay 90% of that pledge loan. You'll get the rest back because you're getting that money, towards the money you've borrowed. You're going to get that money back, and it's going to show that you paid them ahead of time. Okay, but it's still going to report those 5 years in your credit. So that's building a trade line. So guys, knowing all these little tricks and hacks is what's going to get you far with Navy Federal. Remember, this is Jackie. Remember, this channel is all about you guys. Subscribe, give me a like. That's the only way I'm going to get to connect with you guys. I'm here to empower you guys, and I want you guys to understand and improve your credit. That way you guys can leverage it. I don't want you guys paying anybody for all this information. Subscribe to my school, SKOOL. Trust me, we're going to build that together. You guys can put in that platform what videos, who do you want me to bring in as a guest speaker, and I'm going to cater to you guys. Okay, right now it's going to be a bilingual platform, but in the future, when we build it out, we're going to divide that English and Spanish. Until next time.